Here. Point it at me. Got it, Ty?
Yeah.
You got it?
Yeah.
Film him.
Are you?
You got it?
Yeah.
Alright. Probably by the head this time. Ty, are you filming?
Yeah.
Give me that, no, give me that stick. Hey, put the camera at me. Okay, you ready? Nice, caught that one. Ready?
Don't hit him. No!
Why?
Because I'm going to catch him.
No, you're not. I'm
no,
sticking him in my
get
yard.
Blitzzy.
No. Nice. All right, give me the camera. Cool.
He's not dead.
And that's fishing for gophers.